Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel and Consultancy and Classes. Today we are going to see how is our week going to be, the upcoming week going to be. So let's see what is this week's predictions from angel messages. So today we are going to see the messages from the angels, and you can select the pile number 1, pile number 2 and from pile number 3. So we will be seeing what are the messages come for you, the one who have chosen the pile number 1. And from pile number 1 we have the card number 1. Along with that we have pyrite crystal, and the one who have chosen the angel of pyrite, and somewhere they have kept their hopes, and based on their hopes let's see what is the message for them. So let's begin up with the pile number 1, the card number 1, and the card number 1 is trust. That means somewhere you are actually expecting some trust to be developed with a friend or in a relationship or in a partnership. So it seems that you are doubting your mind, your intuition, your thoughts, which by the angels are saying just keep trust, we are there, we will take care of it. You need not have to worry about, and you do not have to get scared about anything. In this you can always have full trust, and here the angels are saying that we are also waiting to get you the answers. And if you are thinking to start with your new business, if you are thinking to start with a new relationship, if you are thinking to start a new partnership, just go ahead and start with the relationship or trust or a business or a partnership, and it is definitely going to be successful. And angels also say that we are there to be with you in your difficult times, and we will be helping you to grow more and higher in your life. So in that case you do not have to worry about it. We are there, we will always take you ahead towards your success and progress. It says that the fairies will be there in your around, and you are being protected. You are always being protected from all the negative energy, so no negativity will be affecting you by any chance. So this is the message for the pile number 1 who selected. Let's go to pile number 2, the card number 2, and the one who have chosen the green fluorite angel, the angel of good health, good money and the prosperity. So here the message for you, the one who have chosen the card number 2 or the pile number 2, it says that till now you were always thinking that whether I should go ahead or no, whether I should choose for my new things, or I should go ahead in my career, or should I go for my education, should I move ahead in my new house. So please believe it, the message is already being received by you. You have already received a message which you were waiting for from very long time, and also it seems that you were actually thinking whether the decision of mine will be right or no. Will I be able to will I be able to be successful in that or no? Will I be able to achieve what I wanted? then yes, definitely you should go ahead and get it done your things, and you will definitely be successful. Also, it shows that if you have been very confused with your mind, if you have been very thoughtful about the things from very long time, and you think the things have been pending and it has not happened, so right now is the time for you to go and get your things done. You will definitely be successful. And it seems to be that when you will listen, it also seems to be that you have been giving a second thought whatever in your mind was coming. You were always doubting whether you should do it or no. So here the angels say that please go ahead and follow your intuition, follow your thoughts. You must have got the messages from the universe. Either you must have got the message from your elderly people, either you must have already got the message from a loving friend, you must have already got the message from your boss or your colleague or your best friend or your mom or your grandparents. So just go ahead, you will definitely be successful, you will definitely achieve something, and you will really win the world for that. It also shows that you are uh, hiding behind the bushes thinking that you will not be able to do something. So don't doubt, just follow it. You are really hardworking, and you have been doubting your efforts, your own willpower, and start believing on yourself. You will definitely be successful. Coming to the next angel, that is Archangel Michael, and this angel is amethyst angel. So the one who have chosen the card number 3 or the pile number 3. So it says that till now you were always dependent on others. Till now you always used to believe on others. Till now you were always thinking others are right and others can take decision for you. So now is the time. You take the decision for yourself. You have to think for yourself. You cannot leave your major decisions to be taken by others. This is the right time for you to take a call. You have always been dependent on others. Now is the time for you to think of yourself. Now is the time for you to believe on yourself. It shows that you have all the potential, you have all the capability, you are wonderful in doing things whatever you want to. Then why you want to be dependent on others? Do it. You are the best. You can definitely prove yourself, and you can definitely show all your bright colors. And angels are saying here, you will be able to achieve it. You will be able to grab the opportunities. You will definitely rock in your life, and you will be definitely be very successful. In the sense, if you have thought of changing a job, please do it. If you have thought of for conceiving this year, which you were always dependent on others' decisions, but you knew it that you should go ahead for that, then please go ahead. If you have thought that you cannot do things, if you have thought that you are not worth for it, then please stop doubting. it's everything in your mind. You need to release it. No one else can release things from your mind. Once you create certain things, you will definitely be out of that. You will be able to achieve what you want to achieve. You will be able to reach to new things, and you will be definitely be successful in that. So believe in yourself. It's everything within you, and everything is in your hands. You can decide for yourself, not anybody else. So all the best and take care. We will come up with more readings and more guidances from angels, tarot, and many other things. Till the time, if you are really waiting to get more messages and more guidances, then please go ahead, follow, like, subscribe my channel and my Facebook page to for me to reach out to you and give you the guidances from angels, tarot, crystals, and different forms of messages. I'm Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani, the psychic healer, the guided healer who can always help you to reach the and enhance your life. God bless you. Take care and have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.